Hello students, today I am going to start your next points which is related to the law of exponents. Okay, laws of exponents. In that it is very important and useful for this chapter. Okay, laws of exponents. Okay, multiplication of the powers of the same base. Multiplication of the power of the same base. First one is the multiplication of the power of same base. Suppose a to the power n is multiplied by a to the power n. Bases are same. Then in this case you will add the power a to the power m plus n. A to the power, if bases are equal and powers are different, in multiplication you will write 1 times your base and add your power. So you will get a to the power m plus n. I will show you one example. 2 to the power 3 is multiplied by 2 to the power 2. Okay, so what you will get is, in this case you will get 2 to the power 3 plus 2. What you will get is 2 to the power 5. See this? Both are equal or not? First you solve this left hand side. Left hand side, 2 to the power 3 is 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 3 means 2, 4, 8, and 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 2 means 4. So 8 4s are 32. And if you solve this right hand side, 2 to the power 5, 2 is multiplied by 5 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. In both the cases, you will get a same number. Okay? So a to the power m is multiplied by a to the power m. In multiplication, if bases are equal, then you will add the and powers are different, then you will add your power. Okay? Write 1 times your base and add your power. Now second one is for division with the same base. Suppose a to the power n is divided by a to the power n. Okay, where in this case where m is greater than n, then in this case what you will get is a to the power m minus n. Just opposite of a multiplication. In division, if bases are equal and powers are different, then you will subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. In this case, m is greater than n, so you will subtract m minus n. Write 1 times your power base and subtract your index. Okay, m minus n. Okay, students, I will show you this example. Okay, a to the power 3 divided by a to the power 2. Okay, 3 is greater than 2. In this case, you will write base 1 times. Okay, and then 3 minus 2. What you will get is a to the power 1. I will show you with one example, one more example. Like 4 to the power 3 is divided by 4 to the power 2. So in this case, what you will get is 4 to the power 3 minus 2. You will get 4 to the power 1. Your answer is 4 students. So use this property. Okay, very important for division. You will subtract. If bases are equal, then you will subtract the powers. In multiplication, you will add the power. Now the third property. Okay. After that, your third property is this one. Third one is, if I told you that earlier in our first class, if a to the power 0, then its value is always 1. A to the power 0, then its value is always 1. Is whatever the number is there, if its power is 0, then its value is, you always get your value 0 students. Okay. Third one is, if a base have a power have a powers. Suppose it is power m and this is the power n. If powers have a power, then what you will do that you will multiply the power m into n. So in that, write your base 1 times and write and multiply the power. So you will get m into n. See this one with example. This one is 3 to the power 2 to the power 3. So what you will do then? How you will solve? You will write 3 1 times and multiply this power. 2 into 3, you will get 6. 3 to the power 6. Okay students, power have a power, then you will multiply the powers and write 1 times. Okay. Fourth one is, if your base are different but powers are same. Okay, m is multiplied b to the power m is multiplied if bases are different but powers are same, then it is also very easy. You will multiply the base a into b into c and write the power 1 times. Write the power 1 times. If bases are different and powers are same, then you will multiply the base and write your power 1 times. Suppose 2 to the power 3 is multiplied by 3 to the power 3 is multiplied by 4 to the power 3. Then what you see this bases are different but powers are same. Then what you will do that you will multiply the base and write your power 1 times. So 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 20, 4 to the power 3 students. Okay, if you solve, then you will get both side equal. Okay, now next one is very important students. Next property is property number 4. Okay, very important. If suppose if it is given that a by b to the power m, and if you want to write it separately, then you will write a to the power m upon a to the power n. Okay, if it is given that a by b to the power m, and sorry, if you want to separate this one, so you will write a to the power m upon a to the power b to the power m. Okay, a by b to the power m, and if you want you can separately write that one. So a to the power m upon b to the power m. Okay, same as it is. Suppose if it is given that a to the power minus m, and you want to convert it into a positive, then you will write 1 upon a to the power m. If you change it into denominator, this one, then this minus change into a positive number, 1 upon a to the power m. Okay, same as it is. Push 6 one is see this one students. I will show you one example for this. Suppose 2 to the power minus 3, and if you want to solve this, you cannot solve this. Change it into 1 upon 2 to the power 3. 1 upon 2 to the power 3. If you write in form of a 1 upon, then this minus change into a plus. Okay students. Now next one is 6 one. Suppose if it is given that a upon b to the power minus m, and you want to change it into a positive, then change this. You change your base into your reciprocal. Then you will get b upon a to the power positive, b upon a to the power m plus m, a upon b minus m, a upon b to the power minus m, and you want to change this minus m into positive. Change your base into a reciprocal. You will get b upon a to the power m. Okay, then it is very easy to solve your problems. Okay, a upon b to the power minus m, then you will write b upon a, change this term into its reciprocal, you will get b upon a, and then this minus change into a plus. Okay, same thing we have done here, a to the power minus m, change into its reciprocal, then you will get a upon b to the power, and then this minus change into a to the power m, this minus change into a plus. Okay, so this is the rule of laws of exponents. Learn this one, and it is very useful for your exercise students. So after that I am going to solve your exercise, and students try to solve all that examples. Very useful for you, this example for you students. Okay, exercise 5a. Okay, exercise 5a. Exercise 5a. Okay, in this one, write the base and the index of the following powers. First question is write the base and index of the following powers. First question is first one 3 to the power 7. Okay, sorry, 7 to the power 3. 7 to the power 3. So write the base and the index. So for this question, solution for this one, 7 to the power 3. So base is equal to 7 and index is equal to 3. It is very easy students. You can try this second one with yourself. Third one is minus 3 to the power 7. So base is minus 3 and index is 7. A power is 7. Question number fifth one. First fifth one. 2 upon 3 to the power 4. So what is the base in this one? Base is equal to 2 by 3 and index is equal to means power is equal to 4. So I think first one is very easy. Remaining question number homework is this one. Second, third, fourth. You will try with yourself for first question. First, second, third and fourth. You will try with yourself students. Now see this question number second. Question number second is find the value of each of the following. It is very good question. Find the value of each of the following. In that, see this first one. Find the value of 7 to the power 2. Means that it is a square of 7 and you know that square of 7 is equal to, if you solve this one, 7 to the power 2 means that 7 is multiplied into 7. Okay. So what you will get? You will get 49. Very easy now. So same as this, you will try this question number second, third and fourth. You will see this fourth one students. Minus 3 to the power 5. Minus, and you know that if your base is negative, and power is odd, then you always get a minus value. You will always get a minus value. And if it is a power, so simply you can find the value of 3 to the power 5 and write in with minus sign. Okay students? So in this case, solution for this one, minus 3 to the power 5 is equal to minus 3. If you want, you can write this minus, otherwise directly you will write minus and find the value of 3 to the power 5. 3 to the power 5 means that 3 is multiplied by 3 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 200, 243. So directly if you want, you can write this. Find the positive value of this one, because it is a basis, power is odd, then you will get negative. So minus 243. Okay students, same as it is, you will try this question number 5th. So see this question number 6th one also, you will try that one. 7th one. Second, 7th one. Second, 7th one, you will see this question number second. 7th one is a 2 upon 7 to the power 3. 2 upon 7 to the power 3. How you will solve this one? 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 2 upon 7 is multiplied by 2 upon 7. Numerator, you will multiply with numerator. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 7 7 is 49, 49 7 is multiply this one. 343. So it is very, if you write that the squares and cubes of 1 to 40, then it is very easy, because the cube of a 7 is 343. So this is the answer for this question. Question number 8, you will see this one. 5 to the power 0 upon 6 to the power 2. And you know that any number have a power 0, its value is always 1. And 6 to the power 2 means 6 is multiplied into 6. You will get this 36. Your answer is 1 upon 36 students. Any problem students? Any problem students? Your answer is 1 upon 36. Now you will try this question number 9th and 10th. See this question number 12th one. Okay. Question number 12. Question number 12. Others are same as it is. If it is a minus, then you can use your minus sign. You know that minus 2.1 to the power 2. It is a decimal number, so no problem. Minus, because its base is negative and power is even. This is a, if your base is negative, minus 8 and power is even number, then you always get a positive value. You always get a positive value. So minus 2.1, you multiply with 2.1. Okay. So whatever you will get, that is a positive. Okay. So 2.1 is multiplied with 2.1. You will get this 441, and here is a 1 point difference in multiplication 1 1 2. So So you will get this 4.41. That is your answer for this case, students. So for question number 2, your homework is for question number 2. Homework for this question number 2. Second one, third one, question number second, third, fourth I have done that one. Okay, fifth, sixth one, sixth one, 7, 8 I have done that, 9, 10 and 11th one is your homework for this case. Okay, students. And question number 3 you also try in your own third. Okay, then fourth, fifth I will do it in the next day, students. Till that, students, thank you. Complete your given homework. If any doubts, please ask your doubt also, students. Okay, thank you, students.